We're back, ladies and gentlemen, with Rock and Rivera, and we're looking at the original sound producing car for Ford vs. Ferrari the movie. This is the Ford GT40 that produced that sound, and it's got a single 4-barrel on it. Look at this thing. This thing is absolutely drop dead gorgeous. Look at this thing. That's nice. So we're going to keep going through the show. This, if I'm understanding correctly, is a polished aluminum. When I say polished aluminum AC Cobra, they only did these for one reason, and that was because it's the anniversary Cobra. Anniversary Cobra for the, I believe it's the 50th anniversary Shelby. This was done a few years ago. 50th anniversary Shelby, so let's find out. I guess I was wrong. It is a 66. That's amazing. Now, all these cars pulled in a while ago, and they all sound absolutely incredible. They're the best engine I've ever heard. I'll show you the one that I think is the top pick here later when I find the guy who owns it. So I think I lost him. So I will show you all the top pick in a little bit. But right now I'm going to show you all this beautiful carbon fiber, absolutely beautiful carbon fiber, brand new Ford GT. Look at this thing. Sorry. Look at this thing. Beautiful, beautiful cars. And then we have the F40. Holy cow. A true 1991 F40. And I will come back to you in just a few minutes with the owner of this or one of the guys that owns it for some details. So hold tight.